In this video, I'm going to show you two major updates in NotebookLM that it has just released. And the first one is how to save your PDF document in PowerPoint in the PPTX. Earlier on, you have to export your presentation only in PDF, but now it is possible to export it in .pptx. And then the second one is you can now edit or revise your slides directly from the NotebookLM platform. Let's start by going to notebooklm.table.com, and then from here you can go to new notebook. We'll be able to kind of go ahead and specify the source. For example, let's say create a presentation about the future of AI in Nigerian education system. Free to have other sources, like you can upload a file, you can use YouTube link, you can upload from your drive, you can use copied text directly and serve as a source. Now let's go ahead and use this one. Now these are the research that it has found, the sources that it has found. Let me quickly put them into our chat so we can go ahead and quickly create a slide presentation out of this. Alright, and as you can see, NotebookLM has just given us a quick summary of all the sources that we've added. Now I want to create a presentation out of this, so I can come all the way to slide deck. I can just click on this pen icon and specify that I want a presenter slide, specify the language, and I want to make it short. And then you can give a guided synopsis of how you want the presentation to be created, maybe some bulleted points just to guide the AI on what to create and what to focus on. I'm going to go ahead and say generate from this, and we're just going to give it some seconds to finish the generation, and then I'm going to show you how to revise and export your generated PowerPoint on PPTX and revise it directly. Alright, so right now you can see it has finished the creation, so we can just click to have a preview of what we have just generated. And you can see some wonderful slides that had just been generated using this particular AI tool. This is very wonderful and is very next level. One key update to pay attention to is the export. Usually before, when we would come to these three dots, you can be able to see only exported in PDF. But right now you can export in .pptx as well, so you can have your PowerPoint in .pptx. You can open it with any of the PowerPoint slides. Now the second update is that you can now revise any of the slides depending on the choice. Bridging the divide, AI as the catalyst for Nigerian educational transformation. So you can go ahead and revise, click on revise, and it can be able to revise this, change the title and make it more catchy. For example, for this particular slide, you can move to any slide and it can give you a revision directly. Change this to a line graph, okay, for example, and then you can come down here and make it visually appealing. So once you are done updating or putting in the revision on all of the slides, you can come over here and say generate a new deck, and just give it some seconds, and this is now going to generate and give you an updated deck with all of the revisions that you've captured or that you've signified in the respective slides. Alright, as you can see, it has been updated, which is now the version 2. We can just click and let's have a look at it. So it has actually updated the title, you can see from the previous one, and then you can see over here it has replaced this with a line graph as we have identified, and in here we said it should make it visually appealing, and you can see what it has generated for us. These are the two major updates that the NotebookLM has just allowed like 2 or 3 days ago. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.